Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can catch the Phantom Goblin Shark in Fish It Roblox. So the Phantom Goblin Shark is a ghost of the deep that only spawn in certain locations, and in here I'm going to break down the exact requirements to make this specter appear. So first, for the location, you can get this Phantom Goblin Shark inside the underwater city. This is a new locations in Fish It. And here I'm going to show you the specific location where I got the fish. So from the entrance in here, you can just go straight and turn right in here and go to near this bench. And this is where I got the Goblin Shark. And in here I'm using the element rod with the singularity bait. If needed, you can also use your luck totem because I also use one when I got this one in here, the shark. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks.